ಹಾಯ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ತಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ 7th ಸೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. In previous session, you have studied about integration by parts and problems on integration by parts. In this session, we are going to continue with some more problems on integration by parts and some assignment problems related to integration by parts. At last, we are going to see some multiple choice questions. Now, we are going to start with some solved worked example on integration by parts. Example 1 is evaluate integration of log x dx. Now, solution. Let I equal to integration of log x dx. Log x dx. Now, in last session, we was told that log x matte inverse function bandre, what is the term you have to take extra? Into 1. You have to remember this particularly. That is integration of log x into 1 dx. Log function matte inverse function single bandre, you have to take into 1, then use integration by parts. One is algebraic, log x is logarithmic. Logarithmic is first function, algebraic is second function. Rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? First function as it is, that is log x as it is. Integration of second, that is integration of 1 dx. Integration of 1 minus integration of differentiation of first. Differentiation of first, that is differentiation of log x. Differentiation of first ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Differentiation of log x into integration of second, that is integration of 1 with respect to x. Now is equal to log x as it is. What is the integration of 1? Integration of 1 is x minus integration of differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x into integration of 1. Integration of 1 is x dx. X cancels. That is x log x minus integration of 1 dx. Integration of 1. That is I equal to x log x minus, what is the integration of 1 is x plus integration constant c. Therefore, what is x is? Therefore, integration of log x is equal to x log x minus x plus c. Minus x plus c. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಇಂಟು 1. ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1. ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1. ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1. x log x minus integration of 1 is what? X. That is required answer. You can note down. Next, we move to example number 2. Example 2 is evaluate integration of x log 2x dx. Solution. Let I equal to integration of x log 2x dx. X is an algebraic function, log x is logarithmic function. Now, in this word, that is, I let logarithmic comes first, algebraic comes second, means you have to take log 2x as first function, x as second function. Now, rearrange the terms. Is equal to log 2x first function into x dx. Into x dx. Log 2x is first function, x is a second function. Now apply the rule. Another rules, first function as it is, log 2x as it is. Integration of second, I am going to write directly. X integration is x square by 2. X integration is x square by 2 minus rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, differentiation of first, differentiation of first means differentiation of what? Log 2x. Differentiation of log 2x is 1 by 2x into 2 by using chain rule. Differentiation topic ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. log 2x differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. First log differentiation is 1 by 2x into 2x differentiation is 2 by using chain rule. This is differentiation of first into integration of second. What is the integration of second is x square by 2 dx. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ first function as it is log 2x as it is, integration of second x square by 2 minus integration of differentiation of first log 2x differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by 2x into 2 into x integration is x square by 2. 2 to cancel, 1x cancel is equal to x square log 2x divided by 2 minus 2 is a constant, you have to take outside, 1 by 2 integration of x is remaining, x dx is equal to, that is I equal to x square log 2x divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 x. What is x integration is x square by 2, x square by 2 plus integration constant c. Therefore what is that? I is, therefore integration of x log 2x is equal to x square log 2x divided by 2 minus 1 into x square 2 into 2 4 plus c. This is the required answer. First ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು? x log 2x, algebraic function, logarithmic function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? logarithmic ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ x, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ರೂಲ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ನಾವು x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ log 2x ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 2 x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ x ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2, x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2, 2 into 2 4. This is the required answer. You can note down. Next we are going to move to example number 3. Example 3 is evaluate integration of x square log x dx. Solution. Let I equal to integration of x square log x dx. Integration of x square log x dx. X square is an algebraic function, log x is logarithm function. Rules ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You have to take logarithm first, algebraic second. That is according to the, that is ILET. Logarithmic first, algebraic second. Rearrange the terms. Log x first, x square second. Logarithmic first ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, algebraic second. What rules tells? First function as it is ಅಂದರೆ log x as it is into integration of second x square integration by using formula x to the power n, that is x to the power n plus 1 3 divided by 3, n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus integration of differentiation of first means what? Log x differentiation. What is the log x differentiation is 1 by x, 1 by x into integration of second x square integration, that is x cube divided by 3 dx. 1x cancel, that is equal to x cube log x divided by 3 minus 1 by 3 constant, integration of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ, x square divided by, that is only x square divided by 3 outside ತೊಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, that is x square dx, x square dx, that is I equal to x cube log x divided by 3 minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 x square integration. What is the integration of x square? X cube divided by 3 plus integration constant c. Therefore integration of x square log x dx ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ 3 3s are 9 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡಿರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಜಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ 1/3 1x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1/3 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬೈ 3 ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ x to the power n integration. Now 3 3s are 9 x cube plus c. Can note down the problem. Next we move to example number 4. Example 4 is evaluate integration of tan inverse x. Solution: let I equal to integration of tan inverse x. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಂಟು 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಅಲ್ಜಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ integration of differentiation of first, that is 1/1 plus x square. Differentiation of 1 tan inverse x is 1/1 plus x square into integration of second, that is x integration is 1 integration is x dx. Nodre, first function as it is, integration of second is x minus differentiation of first into integration of second is equal to x tan inverse x minus integration of x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now to integrate this second term, there is no standard integral. You have to use substitution method or any alternate adjustment method. One of the formula is, that is integration of f dash of x f of x dx. If numerator is a derivative of denominator, then its integral is log of denominator. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, if numerator is derivative of denominator, then what is the answer is log of denominator. That is the standard result. I am going to use that one. What is the denominator here? 1 plus x square. 1 differentiation is 0. x square differentiation is 2x. 0 plus 2x is 2x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2. x tan inverse x minus 1/2 in integration of 2x 1 plus x square dx. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2. Now you can check 1 plus x square derivative is 2x. Numerator is the derivative of denominator. You can use that formula. Direct answer is what? Log of denominator. That is I equal to x tan inverse x minus 1/2. Numerator is the derivative of denominator. What is the answer is? Log of denominator. Log of 1 plus x square plus c. Therefore, what is the question is? That is integration of tan inverse x is equal to x tan inverse x minus 1/2 log of 1 plus x square plus c. We have used this result. That is, if numerator is the derivative of denominator, then what is its integral is log of denominator. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, tan inverse x is given. Inverse logarithm ಬಂದರೆ we are going to take extra into 1. Now first function, second function. First function as it is, integration of second is x minus differentiation of first is 1/1 plus x square. 1 integration is x. X tan inverse x minus 1 into x is x. Now to get the integral of this function, I am going to divide and multiply by 2. Now 2x is the derivative of denominator. If the numerator is the derivative of denominator, then what is the integral is log of denominator. Now that is the required answer. You can note down. Next we move to example number 5. Example 5 is evaluate integration of cos inverse x dx. Solution. Let I equal to integration of cos inverse x dx. Cos inverse x dx. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಇಂಟು 1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cos inverse x into 1 dx. Cos inverse is first function, into 1 is that 1 is second function. Rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ first function as it is, cos inverse x as it is. Integration of 1 is x, integration of 1 is x minus differentiation of first. What is the differentiation of first is integration of differentiation is minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x differentiation is minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square into 1 integration is x dx is equal to x cos inverse x minus into minus plus integration of x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. Root of 1 minus x square dx. Now to solve this second integral you have to use substitution method, or you have to use substitution method. Substitution method you can use again two method. One is put x equal to sin theta, answer barutte. Illadre put 1 minus x square equal to t. Now I am going to use substitution method. Put 1 minus x square equal to t. 1 minus x square equal to t. Differentiating 1 minus x square differentiation is minus 2x, 1 differentiation is 0, minus x square differentiation is 2x with respect to x this side. T differentiation is 1 with respect to t andre dt. Now ನಮಗೇನಿದೆ ಈಗ x dx minus 2 ಅನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x dx. x dx is equal to minus 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ minus 1 by 2 dt, minus 1 by 2 dt. X dx equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. Now substitute these two values in that is second term of the I. Now we are going to get I equal to x cos inverse x as it is. X cos inverse x as it is. We are substituting only in second term plus integration of x dx ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square ನ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ನಾವು t, that is 1 by root t into x dx. What is x dx is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 dt, minus 1 by 2 dt is equal to x cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 constant outside, minus 1 by 2 constant outside. Integration of ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ 1 by root t dt, 1 by root t dt is equal to x cos inverse x minus 1 by 2, 1 by root t integration. What is the 1 by root t integration is standard formula 1 by root x. 1 by root x is 2 root x ಅಂದರೆ 2 root t plus c, 2 to cancel. What is equal to x cos inverse x minus root t plus c, that is I equal to x cos inverse x minus substitute t value. What is t value is 1 minus x square, that is root of 1 minus x square plus c. That is the required result. That is what is I is. Therefore integration of cos inverse x is equal to x cos inverse x minus root of 1 minus x square plus c. That is the required result. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಮೊದಲು cos inverse x dx ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಇಂಟು 1. ನಾವು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x divided by root of 1 minus x square. To solve this we have to use substitution method. Substituting, that is put 1 minus x square equal to t. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 differentiation is 0 minus x square differentiation is minus 2x. With respect to x is dx equal to t differentiation is 1 dt. Now minus 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ minus 1 by 2 dt. Substituting these values in that is second term x cos inverse x plus integration of 1 divided by root t, it is taken as t. X dx is minus 1 by 2 dt. Minus 1 by 2 outside ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 1 by 2 1 by root t dt. Integration of 1 by root t, that is using formula 1 by root x, 2 root x, 2 to cancel root t. You have to resubstitute t value, t equal to what? 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square plus integration constant c. This is the required answer. Can note down. Next we move to example number 6. Example 6 is evaluate integration of cosec cube x dx. Solution. Let I equal to integration of cosec cube x dx. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ it comes under by parts ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. But by using any of the method previously studied, it is not possible to solve. It is not in standard integral, list of standard integral, trigonometry formula use ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Cosec square is a standard, but here it is what? Cosec cube. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಂದರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cosec cube ಅನ್ನು cosec square x ಇಂಟು cosec x dx ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು. cosec square x into cosec x dx. Now instead of writing cosec square first, I will write cosec square second. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ we know integration of cosec square. cosec x into cosec square x is what? cosec cube x. Now you can use integration by parts. First function, second function. First function, second function. Rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? First function as it is, cosec x as it is. Integration of second, cosec square x integration. What is cosec square x integration is? Minus cot x. Minus cot x. First function as it is, integration of second minus integration of ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? differentiation of first. Differentiation of first. What is cosec x differentiation is? Minus cosec x into cot x, minus cosec x into cot x, into minus cot x dx. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cosec ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ x is minus cot x ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ cosec x differentiation is minus cosec x cot x into integration of second cosec square x is minus cot x is equal to minus cosec x cot x minus cosec x cot x, minus into minus plus ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ cosec x cot x into cot x cot square x dx, cot square x dx. Again product, but again it is not possible to get directly integration of cot square. Again you have to convert cot square into cosec square, that is standard integral, by using trigonometric formula. I equal to minus cosec x cot x minus cosec x cot x is cosec square x minus 1 dx, minus 1 dx by using trigonometry. Minus cosec x cot x as it is, minus as it is cosec x cot square x ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ? cosec square x minus 1. Now simplify, that is you have to multiply. If you multiply first term as it is, I equal to what? Minus cosec x cot x, minus cosec x cot x. First term, check here, minus cosec x into cosec square x, cosec cube x, minus integration of cosec cube x dx, minus cosec cube x dx, minus into minus plus integration of cosec x, integration of cosec x plus integration of cosec x dx, integration of cosec x dx. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus cosec x cot x, first term as it is, minus cosec x into cosec square x is cosec cube x, minus into minus plus cosec x into 1 is cosec x dx. Now you can observe here there second term, this is again cosec cube. We have started from cosec cube, you got again cosec cube. ಹಿಂಗೆ process repeat ಆದರೆ you are going to get cosec cube x repeated process, it will not end. But there are some problems there where you have to use the method, that is you have to replace that cosec cube by I, give it as equation number 1. Equation number 1, what is 1 is cosec cube x equal to I, you have to substitute value there, that is I equal to minus cosec x cot x, this is minus I, cosec cube x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus I plus what is cosec x integration, cosec x integration, cosec x integration is log of cosec x minus cot x plus integration constant c. Cosec x integration is logarithm of cosec x minus cot x. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ I plus I plus I is equal to minus cosec x cot x plus log of cosec x minus cot x plus c, that is, or you can write c afterwards, that is by completing all steps, that is integration constant. ಇನ್ನು I ಇದೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು. I plus I is what, 2I equal to minus cosec x cot x plus log of cosec x minus cot x 2 ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is I equal to 1/2, that is minus 1/2 cosec x cot x, ಈ 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮಿಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/2 ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ cosec x minus cot x plus integration constant c. It is the integral of cosec cube x dx. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, cosec cube x ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ, cosec x into cosec square x, cosec x as it is, cosec square x integration is minus cot x, first function second function, first function as it is, second function integration, minus integration of differentiation of first into integration of second, that is minus cosec x cot x, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus cosec x cot x into cot x cot square x. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cot square x ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. cot square x ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ, cosec square x minus 1, first term as it is, cosec x into cosec square x is cosec cube x, cosec x into 1 is cosec x. Now cosec cube x ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, I, cosec x integration is log of cosec x minus cot x, minus ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, plus I, that is I plus I is 2I equal to, ಇದು 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 1/2 cosec x cot x plus 1/2 log of cosec x minus cot x plus c. That is the required answer. You can note down. Next we move to example number 7. Example 7 is evaluate integration of e to the power x cos x dx. Solution. Let I equal to integration of e to the power x cos x dx, e to the power x cos x dx, e to the power x exponential cos x trigonometric, cos x first function, e to the power x second function, integration of cos x first function e to the power x second function, that is according to Eilert. Now rule ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ है, first function as it is, cos x as it is, integration of second, what is e to the power x integration is e to the power x minus differentiation of first, what is cos x differentiation is minus sin x into e to the power x dx, into e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x cos x minus into minus plus e to the, that is sin x into e to the power x dx, sin x e to the power x dx. Again you have to use integration by parts, that is equal to e to the power x cos x plus rule ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ है, first function as it is, sin x as it is, sin x as it is, e to the power x integration is e to the power x second integration minus integration differentiation of first sin x differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos x into integration of e to the power x is e to the power x, e to the power x first term as it is plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ integration by parts use ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin x as it is, e to the power x integration is e to the power x minus differentiation of sin x is cos x, e to the power x integration is e to the power x, e to the power x cos x plus sin x e to the power x plus into minus cos x e to the power x dx. Again you have to use integration by parts, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ರೆ it will not complete, but cos x e to the power x is what, I, cos x e to the power x is what, I, give it as equation number 1. Now you have to replace this by I, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is I equal to e to the power x cos x, e to the power x cos x, e to the power x cos x plus e to the power x sin x, e to the power x sin x minus I, this is minus, this term is taken as what, I, a minus I ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus I plus I, what is common here, e to the power x is common, what you are going to write, cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x, I plus I is what, 2I e to the power x cos x plus sin x, 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ what is I equal to e to the power x divided by 2 cos x plus sin x plus integration constant c, ಈ 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ e to the power x divided by 2 cos x plus sin x, what is I you have started, e to the power x cos x, therefore integration of e to the power x cos x dx is equal to e to the power x by 2 cos x plus sin x plus c, that is the required answer. Now in place of cos x sin x ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು I ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, that is cosec cube x, for sec cube x also you are going to get I. Now ಏನು ಬಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು e to the power x cos x first function, e to the power x first function as it is, integration of second minus differentiation of first, integration of second, ಮತ್ತೆ sin x e to the power x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, integration by parts, if you use integration by parts again you will get cos x e to the power x, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆದರೆ it will not end, therefore you have to take that as I. This is the solution for problem number 7. Next we are going to move for example number 8. Example 8 is evaluate integration of cos root x dx. Solution. let I equal to integration of cos root x dx. Cos x is standard, but it is cos root x. Here you have to use substitution method. A standard x place root x. You have to convert it into standard. To convert to standard integral, you have to take root x equal to t. Therefore, I am going to put root x equal to input martini t. Now differentiating ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is root x? Differentiation is 1 by root x dx. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Sorry, root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x with respect to x equal to, that is dt. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ dx ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ dx equal to 2 root x dt. 2 root x dt. What is this root x is? T. Root x is what? T. Therefore, dx equal to 2t dt. ಈ substitution method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, there is a change of variable. We are changing variable from x to t. Therefore, what is I becomes, that is I equal to integration of cos root x. Root x ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Root x is what? t into dx. What is dx is? 2t dt. 2t dt. 2t dt. Now, here 2 is a constant. Take outside. That is I equal to 2 t cos t dt. T cos t dt. T 2 ವರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. T cos t dt. Now that is a product of two functions, t and cos t. T is algebraic, cos t is trigonometric. Algebraic first, cos t is second. Rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? This is a 2 is constant. Integration by parts. First function as it is, t as it is. Integration of sin cos t is what? Sin t. First function as it is, integration of second, minus differentiation of first. T differentiation with respect to t is 1. Cos t integration is sin t dt. Sin t dt. Now 2 ಅನ್ನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? First term is 2t sin t. 2t sin t minus 2 into integration of sin t dt. Sin t dt. That is equal to 2t sin t minus 2. What is sin t integration is? Minus cos t. Minus cos t plus c. Plus c. That is I equal to 2t sin t minus into minus plus 2 cos t plus c. You have to resubstitute t value. What is t value is? Root x. I is what? Integration of cos root x dx equal to 2 root x sin root x. T value I am substituting. Root x sin root x plus 2 cos root x plus c. Plus c. This is the required answer. Next, we move to example number 9. Example 9 is evaluate integration of x square tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Solution. Let I equal to integration of x square tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square dx. Now, here you have to use substitution method. Tan inverse x derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 1 plus x square dx. ಅಂದರೆ I equal to, you can write like this. That is x square tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Rearrange ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದರೆ you have to put this 1 tan inverse x equal to t. Substitution method. Put tan inverse x equal to what? T. Differentiating. If you differentiate, what is the tan inverse x differentiation is? 1 by 1 plus x square with respect to x is dx. What is dt differentiation is? T differentiation is, that is 1 with respect to t is dt. ಈಗ tan inverse x equal to t ಆದರೆ what is x equal to tan t, which also implies t equal to that x equal to tan t. x equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan t. ಇದು tan inverse x equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan t. Therefore what is I becomes integration of x square. X is what? Tan t. x square ಅಂದರೆ tan square t into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to what? dt is equal to, first x square is tan square t. Tan inverse x ಅಂದರೆ t into dt. That is I equal to integration of t tan square t dt. T tan square t dt. Now tan square t not possible to integrate directly. You have to convert tan into sec. That is standard formula. I equal to integration of t as it is. Tan square t is written as sec square t minus 1. Sec square t minus 1 by using trigonometric formula is equal to, if you separate the terms, integration of t sec square t dt minus t into 1 t, that is t dt. T dt. Now integrating, here you have to use by parts. First term function as it is, t as it is. What is the integration of sec square t is tan t. Sec x ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ t. sec square x integration is tan x. ಅದೇ ಥರ tan t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ differentiation of t is 1. Differentiation of t is 1 with respect to t into tan t, that is sec square integration is tan t dt minus t integration is t square by 2. For first term by parts, second term direct integration is equal to t tan t minus integration of tan t dt minus t square by 2. That is I equal to t tan t minus tan t integration, that is log sec t. Log sec t. Tan x integration is log sec x. ಅದೇ ಥರ sec t minus t square by 2 plus c. You have to resubstitute t. You have to resubstitute t. What is t equal to? Tan inverse x, and tan t equal to x. I equal to t. What is the t? Tan inverse x. What is tan t? X. First I will write tan t as x. T equal to tan inverse x. X tan inverse x minus, first tan t ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. tan t value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? tan t value is x. t value is tan inverse x minus log sec t. Now again you have to use trigonometry. Trigonometry there is one formula, tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. That is sec theta equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, root of 1 plus tan square theta by using trigonometry. Sec theta equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Now sec t equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, root of 1 plus tan square t. Tan t means what? x. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, root of 1 plus x square. Root of 1 plus x square. That is sec t equal to root of 1 plus tan square t. What is tan t is x. That is x square minus t square by 2. T is what? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse square. Tan inverse x whole square divided by 2 plus c. That is your required result. You can note down. Now Next, we move for some assignment examples on integration by parts. Assignment problems are: number 1, for all questions, evaluate question is common, that is you have to find out the integral. First one is integration of log 2x dx. Second one, integration of x log x dx. Third one, integration of x square log 2x dx. Fourth one, integration of cot inverse x dx. Fifth one, integration of sin inverse x dx. Sixth one, that fifth one is repeated. Sixth one, integration of sec cube x dx. Seventh one, integration of e to the power x sin x dx. Eighth one, integration of sin root x dx. Ninth one, integration of x sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. Tenth one, integration of x cot inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. These 9 and 10 problems are based on substitution method. After substitution, it converts to integration by parts problems. Next, we are going to see some multiple choice questions. First one, integration of tan inverse x dx is equal to. Now, for tan inverse x, you have to take tan inverse x into 1 dx, that you have to extra take as 1. According to the integration by parts rule, tan inverse x as it is, 1 integration is x minus integration of tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 integration is x, that is into 1x dx. Now, to differentiate second term, to integrate second term, you have to adjust 1 by 2. Actually, you have to use substitution method. This is the adjustment method, because to make the numerator derivative of denominator, 2x is a now derivative of denominator, then you can write easily answer. That is, if numerator is derivative of denominator, then answer is log of denominator, that is x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square plus c. Now, in the given option, there is no answer. Therefore, option D is correct option, none of these. Next, we are going to see second multiple choice question. Second multiple choice question is integration of log x dx. Now, for this also, log x you have to write into 1. Log x as it is, x integration is x. Therefore, first term becomes x log x minus integration of differentiation of log x is 1 by x into 1 integration is x. X cancel, integration of 1 is x. Therefore, answer is x log x minus x plus c. Therefore, second option is a correct option. These are the two multiple choice questions related to integration by parts. Now, in this session, we discussed problems on integration by parts. In next session, we are going to learn concept of definite integral and some problems on definite integral. Thank you.